you speak Polish? Of course you do. You'll be surprised at how many words you're already familiar with. Welcome to In Plain Polish. Some words are exactly the same in Polish and in English. Other words are a bit adapted to the Polish spelling system, while yet other words are different, but still completely understandable. Ready to discover them? Let's do it. Let's start with my favorite group of words from the bottom of the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, namely food. If you go to the Polish supermarket, you'll have no trouble recognizing such things as papryka, awokado, banan, kiwi. You won't confuse bekon with anything else, and if you remember how the y sound is represented by the letter J in Polish, you'll have no trouble finding yogurt. If you remember the ch sound from the last lesson, you'll be able to find the two most basic products, namely czekolada and ketchup. And if you like jam on your sandwich in the morning, you need to remember about the j sound and look for gem. If you happen to get hungry while you're doing your sightseeing in Poland, you may resort to your survival Polish and look for hot dog, hamburger, pizza, spaghetti, stek, omlet, or pamper yourself with pierogi. The word pierogi is actually plural. From the grammatical point of view, we would say jeden pieróg, dwa pierogi. But you don't get to hear the former very often for one very good reason. Who on earth would want to have jeden pieróg? That would be crazy. The word pierogi is actually starting to make itself at home in the English language as a loan word from the Polish language. And people will start using it as if it were an English word and add the English plural ending to it, even though it's already plural. So you may hear English speakers talk about pierogis, and then you may read all the quarrels on the internet over the correct form, and you may see people waging war on the double plural endings, but there is no reason to do that. It's actually happening all the time in different languages, and we do exactly the same thing with our loan words in the Polish language. So do not be surprised if you find us eating krakersy, nuggetsy, or chipsy. Both spellings are accepted. But now, enough about food, because otherwise I won't fit into my jeans. But apart from food, there are many more words that you will be able to recognize immediately. For example, words connected with technology, such as komputer, laptop, telefon, internet, program, system. Or words connected with business, such as biznes, biznesmen, informacja, klient, budżet, konferencja, projekt. Or words connected with science, such as geografia, biologia, chemia, fizyka, matematyka, medycyna. See? There is no need for me to translate these words because you already know them. Alright guys, I know how busy you are, so I've decided to make my videos bite-sized. If you are interested in the topic and would like to know more words that are similar in Polish and in English, click the link in the description of this video, and it will be a great opportunity for you to practice your Polish pronunciation. Okay, if you enjoyed watching this video, give me some thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!